上好 Mr. P.
What is up, beautiful people? Mr. P here again in my EC6, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 interesting facts about the NIO EC6 that you probably didn't know about. And I'm going to add in 3 little bonus facts. So let's start off with the 3 little bonus facts. First off, as you may know, we have an SOS button over here. Yeah. So if you get into any sort of emergency or any sort of car crash, or you have any health problems, you can click on that and it's all linked to your phone. So it's going to be, NIO headquarters will get that message and they'll send help very fast. So interesting fact number 2 is that there's actually 2 batteries inside this car. There's the primary battery for driving the vehicle, and there's also a secondary battery for running the whole computer system. So when you go into a swap, what happens is, your battery gets detached. Now, if that was the only battery, then you'd have no power for your electronics. So they have a secondary battery, for all the electronics. So that's pretty nice. And third bonus fact is there's 2 motors, but if you put your car on efficiency mode, it actually runs on a single motor, the rear motors, to save on power. Now, let's start off with the 5 cool facts, all right? Interesting fact number 1 is that there is a fragrance system inside the whole car, inside the car. I'm going to show you what it looks like, all right? Now, actually, I can activate it, over here, and boom, you can take a look. Now, right now, I have this fragrance called Yangguang, Sunshine, attached, and where it attaches is right over here underneath the center console. Now, I can feel it right here, and I'll show you what it looks like with my phone, but I have the package right here, so you guys can take a look. So, here's what one of them looks like. Let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. It's actually magnetically attached, so that's pretty cool. And the car automatically recognizes which flavor it is. And you can activate it using NOMI. So, once we open it up, boom, boom, boom. This is what it looks like. All right. Now this top capsule, you don't really need that. So apparently, you just need this. Huh. Now, take that, and I think you put it in like that. Yeah. Then screw it on, and it magnetically attaches. All right. Now I'll show you what that looks like right now. Yeah. We put it in wild so you can see the moment of action. Boom. And wild. Wild is there. Interesting fact number 2 is we actually have a air purification filter built into the car. So, yeah. And you toggle it on via this button right here. Automatic, silent, off. So automatic, silent, off. So that's pretty nice, especially if you live somewhere where there's a lot of pollution. This is going to help make sure that you breathe in healthy air. All right, cool, interesting fact number 3. There's a built-in charging map right on the big display. So it's right here, this button right here. I press it, it's going to show me all the charging map within, nearby. That's nearby. You can click on it. I can navigate to it, and it's gonna show me how to get there. All right, I can click on that to start navigating. So that's pretty awesome. Interesting fact number 4 is that this storage cabinet over here, right here, that you can open up, you can actually make it passcode locked, so that if you're giving the car to someone else, they can't open it. So you can store maybe like an iPad, lots of valuables, anything inside, and you can lock it up. So the way you do it is over here in the settings, you have this is the storage compartment, and you can click to add a passcode. So any sort of passcode you want, you can set that. So if you want to open it, you need the passcode. Talking about storage and giving your car to someone else, interesting fact number 5 is, of course, the ability to give someone else permission to drive your car without even meeting the person. You just have to know their NIO username. You can select one co-owner of the car. All I need is their phone number, or I can have 9 regular, people that friends to drive my car. Check this out, guys. I got a special package, well, actually 2 special packages. Well, I sort of know what it is, but one's from NIO Life, one's from NIO Service. Let's get right to it, man. Boom, 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 boom. Peek what's inside this NIO Service package. Got a quality control stamp right here. Actually not too sure what it is. Ooh, what is this? I know exactly what this is. This is one of those portable charging cables. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out and I'll show you guys. Boom. This is what it looks like right here. So you use this if you're gonna go out on like a camping trip or somewhere where there's not gonna be a traditional EV charger or something like that. If you're gonna go to a desert or where I can think of is probably like the grasslands in Inner Mongolia, where there aren't that many facilities for you to charge your car, but there will be power outlets. So you can plug this into a power outlet, and this boy right here, charge this plugs into your car. The charge is pretty slow, but it's better than not having anything. So that's the first package. That's pretty nice. So let's open it up. All right. Whoa. What is this, my friend? This, oh, all right, this is a picnic mat. So this is a picnic mat. It's got these Velcros that makes it look sort of like a portable little bag. So that's pretty nice. It's good that they gave me this. Then if that's a picnic mat, then I know what these are. This would be the tent, the NIO tent. Now I'm not gonna open this up right here, but I will show you guys a picture of what it looks like fully expanded. This is a nice looking tent. And what is this? Oh my god, this is huge. And this is heavy as hell, man. Holy smokes. Let me get this up. Ooh. Alright. This, my friend, apparently is the X-bar. Okay, so this is the tent. If that's the tent, then what is this? The hell is this then? Oh! Okay. So apparently, this is not the tent. This is a picnic table. Huh, that's interesting. This, my friend, this is the tent. We got a picture over here, what it looks like. Take a good look, man. That is huge. Man, that is a huge, huge tent. So, man, I gotta say thank you to NIO for sending this out. This, of course, was expected because I knew that they were gonna send me some good stuff for purchasing my car. When I bought my car, it was when I pre-ordered my car, it was around the time of the Auto Expo in Beijing. Thank you, NIO, for sending this out. This is pretty nice. I can't wait to, you know, give it a try, use it. So that's pretty awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.